Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Sunday today and I'm really trying to vlog like every single day for you guys, even if I don't have anything too crazy going on. Today I am going to my parents' house with Scott and we are going to look at the barn. So I wanted to show you guys that because it has been updated a lot and it's almost done too. I think we're moving in a couple of months. I don't remember if I told you guys, but we're moving in after all because the price was changed a little bit, so it's going to be worth it for a little while. It's just a temporary fix, just so we can save some more money. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to use this LMS Superfood Kefir Tea Mist. I've been loving this, and my face has been really like tight whenever I get out of the shower, so that really refreshes it. Also, I wanted to know because I feel like so many of you help me whenever I have a problem. Even with my couch, a lot of you gave me recommendations, which thank you so much. I'm going to definitely look into them. But my next problem. So I've been having, over the last couple of days, just like these small red patches on my body. And this is one of them, okay? This is what it looks like. It's like a raised red dry patch kind of, but it is not itchy. So I don't know if it's eczema, I don't know what it is, but I'm kind of scared. And even if I were to make a dermatologist appointment, I wouldn't be able to get in there for another like 7 months because that's how far out they're booked. So if you guys have any recommendations what these red splotches are, please let me know because they're starting to appear on my body and it's kind of scary. They don't hurt and they're not itchy, but they look a little bit dry. Well, at least the one on my arm does. I'm going to use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cannabis Oat Dry Oil. I'm going to use this on my skin today. I've been using this almost every day. I like it just because I like using an oil. So I feel like it deeply hydrates. So I'm just going to use this. And I'm going to do very light makeup because I'm just going to my parents. I want to self-tan tonight though because I'm looking a little bit white. So I'm just using this, and then I'm going to put some rosebud salve on. I've been using this for my lips because they've been really dry. I think whatever this skin condition is, I feel like it has to do with the weather. Scott has the same thing on his stomach, but he knows it's eczema and it's itchy. Mine's not itchy. So that's the problemo. I can't open this. That's annoying. Okay, I'm just going to use something else because I can't open that. I'm just going to use this coconut lip balm. Okay, and then for an eye cream, I'm going to use the Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is just like a baby little sample size. This stuff is always sold out in Sephora, so if you're looking for a good brightening eye cream, you will probably like this. Alright, so there's that, and then we're just going to put a moisturizer on. So I'm going to use the L'Occitane Immortal, oh this is a serum. Oh well, I'm going to use this. To me it's more of a lotion, but that's okay. This one's going to be anti-aging and plumping and firming of the skin. It makes your skin so freaking soft. So I'm using this. And then, wow, I can't believe how much of this I've used. Yikes. I got this like a week ago. Alright, now I'm going to fan my face. I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm going to prime my face first, and I'm just going to use a little bit of the Tatcha Silk Canvas. What are you doing? Huh? What? Let me see. Can I see it? Oh my goodness. Phew. Okay, now I know this foundation is too dark for me. Should I just grab the lighter one? Yeah, I'm gonna grab the lighter one. Hold on one second. Right, this is the Makeup Revolution foundation that I've been loving. I got it in the shade F8, and I also got it in the shade F7. So this is such a flawless foundation. This is probably still going to be a little bit dark for me right now. No, it doesn't look bad. I am like obsessed with this. I'm so happy I found this. You can get this at Ulta. I think it's like one of my favorite foundations, and I've only worn it, I've worn it for the past 3 or 4 days, but I'm obsessed with it. Just makes your skin look so smooth, and it gives really good coverage too, without looking heavy. What are you doing? Do you see that? It makes it look so smooth. Pretty good color, if you ask me. I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Concealer. Teddy, what are you doing? I'm not gonna film this whole thing, so I'm just gonna finish up. I'm gonna do this quickly, and I'll show you guys what I look like after. So this is the finished makeup. I just did a very light and natural. This is what I've been liking lately, just like mascara, the foundation, concealer, a little blush, bronzer. Okay, it seems not that natural, but for me it's a bit natural. And then I've just been putting Gimme Brow through my brows because I feel like my brows are pretty thick anyways. So this is what I've been doing for my makeup. And then my outfit, I'll show you guys in this mirror. So this outfit is from Fabletics, and they just sent me 2 different outfits, and I love this one. It's super comfortable. So these are like high-waisted black camo pants, obsessed, and then a little sports bra as well. And I might do like a fitness routine or how I lost weight, because a lot of you have been asking me to do that kind of video, and I feel like, I mean, I've been doing an ab challenge. I don't know if you can see any difference, but I feel like I'm seeing a small difference. So I will keep you guys updated on that, but I've been posting pictures on my Instagram stories of like my progress, and a lot of you have been asking for that. So I'm probably going to film that closer to my vacation because I still want to see more results. But I lost 2 inches off my waist because I took measurements back in January 8th, and then I took measurements last night, and I lost 2 inches off my waist and 1 inch off of both of my thighs, and then about 2 inches off my hips, which is crazy. It's crazy, Ted. I can't even stand it. I don't even believe it. I don't. You're gonna be so excited to go to Grandma and Grandpa's. Yeah. Well, we gotta wait 1 minute, all right? I know you know the names. We're gonna go in 1 minute when your daddy gets out of the shower, okay? This is what my arm looks like. Sorry if that grosses some of you out, but I just wanted to show you up close. Like, what is that? Someone tell me. Am I dying? Am I not? I don't know. I wanted to show you guys some progress of the barn. So, come upstairs. This is gonna be like a little shoe area, coat rack, trash compartment. And this is the door. So you come in. This is gonna be like our kitchen area over here, and then behind me as well. And then this spot is going to be our living room. So the walls are painted white over here. We're gonna have our couch going that way, TV over there, Christmas tree. And then this door is our bathroom. It's a sliding door that my mom like restored. It's like a older door, and she put mirrors. This is our bathroom. So this is what it looks like. It's not done, but the mirror is gonna go up there. Some cabinets. Our shower looks like a space rocket ship. It is extremely tiny, but that's okay. Toilet, it's gonna be like a little closet there. I'm gonna take that down, that's all right. So this is the other view. And then, like I said, kitchen's gonna be all along this side. We're gonna have this all open. And this is gonna be our view, which is like the same as my parents', but I love it so much. We're gonna have like a wooden like table going across. And then Scott's desk is gonna go over there. I think I'm gonna have my little candle thing here. And then I'm gonna have my big mirror right there. And we have another sliding door. And this is gonna be our bedroom. The bedroom is tiny, as you can see. It's small. It's a little bit smaller than our room right now. And we're not gonna have like closet space. So if you guys have any recommendations on what to do, please help me because we have a lot of clothes. But yeah, this is it. It is 100 square feet bigger than our current place, although the layout is different, so it doesn't really seem like it. And then on this side, there's gonna be a door here that goes out, and we're trying to convince my mom to put a deck out there because I thought that would be really nice, especially with the view. So yeah, that's a little update. It should be done within a couple of months, and then we'll get in here. I just got back from my parents' house and I made myself a shake. I put it in a Christmas mug, but this is strawberries, a banana, Herbalife, 2% milk, and I think that's it. So I made myself a shake. And then also we have avocado toast. And I don't even like avocado, but I'm trying to be healthier, so this is what it looks like. It looks so yummy. All right, so we're gonna eat this and then try and get some energy to go to the gym.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name.
Okay, sorry the lighting is absolute shit on a shingle. I have to take my sneakers off. I just got back from the gym. I couldn't do anything with weights because I'm pretty sure, like, hi, cutie, what are you doing? You're the cutest. Come here. I missed you. Oh, thank you so much. That's so sweet. I'm pretty sure I like pulled a nerve or I did something to like a nerve. And I don't even know if that's correct grammar or whatever. Pulled a nerve. I don't know. I don't know what it's called, but there's like, it's not a pain. I'm gonna take this off. It's not a pain in my arm, but my whole arm from my shoulder blade all the way down my arm, lots of problems in this vlog, but my whole arm is super sensitive, like to the touch. Like my clothing rubbing against it is like, it's like cringeworthy. And like if I put my hand on the cold table, like it doesn't hurt, but it's just so uncomfortable. It's just like so sensitive. So I don't know what's going on with me, you guys, all right? I'm guessing I pulled or I did something to a nerve because it's like going throughout my whole arm. And it's been like this for 2 days now. So I'm assuming maybe when I did like lat pullovers or something at the gym, I'm not sure, okay? I don't know what I did, but I did something. And now my arm hopefully can recover because it just feels so weird. Like Scott would just like put his hand on me before and I was like, ugh, I just can't handle it. Anyways, I'm going to take a shower. Actually, I'll probably wait for him to do abs, but I did get something in the mail, so let me show you guys that. Okay, guys, I had to set up my lights just because it is so dark and the lighting in here is pretty poor. Hi, was that yummy? Such a good boy. I wanted to share something with you. So I got a couple of products from a company called Crown Jeweled, and I'm going to link their company down below, but they have body butters and different body products. So this one right here is the Fairy Glaze, and I love the colors in this. It's like a swirl of gold and pink and white. Kind of looks like marshmallow. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It has a very nice like whipped consistency. And the scent of this, it smells like, to me, chocolate mixed with Love Spell from Victoria's Secret. So if you know that Love Spell scent, that's what it smells like. And it's a very like creamy whipped consistency, like I said, and very, very smoothing. So this is a body butter and it's only like $9. So very affordable. It is homemade as well, or handmade. And you can see it right there. So it kind of gives your skin more of a glow too, and super moisturizing. So I have this. I'm not going to put it on my body right now just because like I said, I don't know what's going on right there. But it does feel very moisturizing on my hands. And then also I have the pomegranate martini. So it says, crown yourself in luxury. Now this is more of like a scrub because it has little beads in it. So this one literally looks like a smoothie. It looks like you just want to eat it, like a blueberry, strawberry smoothie. Hey, what are you doing? What's under there? So this one smells really sweet. This one definitely has more of like a pomegranate scent to it. And like I said, this has like little beads in it. So it's going to be more an exfoliation before you put that body butter. So that's it right there. You can't really see it, but it smells definitely very sweet. I kind of like the other scent a little bit better because it smells like chocolatey. But this one I'm going to use on my legs to exfoliate before I shave them. So I'll link this company down below for you. But they are very affordable and they're homemade. Okay, and I think I'm going to end my vlog now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't throw up. Did you almost throw up? That would have been gross, huh? Yeah, but... Ew! Gross. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one.